this video, we're going to solve exponential equation. To solve exponential equation, we need to have the same base for all the terms. Since we have 4 and 64, we're going to change 64 to 4 to the third power. So we have base 4 for all the terms. So I'm just going to copy the left-hand side, 4 to the negative 2x times 4 to the x power equals 4 to the third power. By the exponential rule, for the multiplication, we just add the exponents. So 4 to the negative 2x plus x equals 4 to the third power. Since we have the same base 4, so we just set the exponent equal to each other. Negative 2x plus x equals 3. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So negative x equals 3. You divide by negative 1, gives you negative 3. So x equals negative 3. Next one, we have base 3 and 27. 27 is multiples of 3, which can be expressed as 3 to the third power. So the left-hand side stay the same. 3 to the x power equals 3 to the third power. We have everything same base, 3. So negative 3x plus x equals 3 to the third power. Now we set the exponents equal to each other. Negative 3x plus x equals 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So negative 2x equals 3. You divide by negative 2, which is negative 3 over 2. Next one. We have base 16, 4, 2. These numbers are powers of 2. So we're going to change everything to the base 2. 16, we know that is 2 to the fourth power. And 2p minus 3. 4 is a 2 square to the minus 2p power equals 2 to the fourth power. Using the exponential rule, you multiply 4 by 2p minus 3. Same thing, 2 times negative 2p. So we're going to rewrite 2 to the 8p minus 12, 2 to the negative 4p equals 2 to the fourth power. Now we just add all the exponents on the left-hand side. 8p minus 4p minus 12 equals 2 to the fourth power. Now we set equal to each other for the exponent. 8 minus 4 is 4, so 4p minus 12 is 4. You move 12, negative 12 to the right-hand side by adding 12. So 4p equals 16. You divide by 4, gives you 4. Next problem, 16, 64. These numbers are multiples of 4. So we're going to change 64 to the 4 to the third power. And 16 is 4 square. So 4 square and r times 4 cube and 3 minus 3r equals 4 to the third power. Using the exponential rule, you multiply those two exponents. So 4 to the 2r, 4 to the 9 minus 9r equals 4 to the third power. Now we add the exponents. 2r plus 9 minus 9r equals 4 to the third power. So the left-hand side, 2r plus 9 minus 9r equals 3. 2 minus 9. 2r minus 9r is negative 7r plus 9 equals 3. You subtract 9 both sides, so negative 7r equals 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. So r equals to negative 6 over negative 7, which is 6 over 7. Next one, 81, 9, 27. 81 is 9 times 9, which gives you 3 times 3, another 3 times 3. So 81 is 9 at 3 to the 4th power. So 9 is 3 square minus 2b minus 2 equals 27 is 3 to the 3rd power. Same thing, we multiply 2 times negative 2b minus 2. So 3 to the 4th power and 3 to the negative 4p minus 4 equals 3 cubed. Now you add the exponents on the left-hand side. 4 minus 4r minus 4 equals 3 cubed. 4 and negative 4 will be cancelled out. So you have negative 4p equals 3. Now you divide by negative 4. So p equals to negative 3 over 4. Next problem, number 6. We have 10 base, but we have 1 over 10 on the right-hand side. 1 over 10, you can flip it, which is 10 over 1, 10, and you have to take the opposite sign, so which will be negative 1, negative exponents. So 10 to the negative 3x, 10x equals 10 to the negative 1's power. Now you add the exponents on the left-hand side. Negative 3x plus x equals negative 10 to the negative 1. Negative 3x plus x equals negative 1. Negative 3 plus 1 is a negative 2. So negative 2x equals to negative 1. You divide by negative 2 both sides. So x equals negative negative is positive. So x equals 1 over 2. Next one. We have base 2 and 32. So 32 is 2 to the 5th power. And 1 over 32, same thing. You flip it. You flip the 1 over 32, which is 32, and then you take the opposite sign, which is negative 1. So 2x times 32 to the negative 1 power equals 2 to the 5th power. 2x, 32 is a 2 to the 5th power. Negative 1 equals 2 to the 5th. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 equals 2 to the 5th power. So the left-hand side, x minus 5 equals 5. Now you add 5 on the both sides. X equals 10. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.